Hello, good morning, students. On that day, we have completed about the Scottish effect. Okay, our syllabus is changed. Our syllabus is now become short. Then also, I am going to complete this one Scottish effect and the Frankel effect. This already I have completed the Scottish effect. In this Scottish effect, what will happen? It arises if some of the atoms or ions are missing from the normal lattice. The lattice are unoccupied, called lattice vacancies or hole. Means is this, for an example, if anyone if anyone is loses here and move outside, it means it loses its place and it remain as a hole here only. It means that was the Scottish effect. Okay, that was the Scottish effect. Okay, now next is Frankel effect. Now one more thing you can see in a Scottish effect, like here, this is a blank one now. This is also a blank one. Now A, B, A, B, A. On a A1 it is a plus sign, on B is a minus sign. So here B is a minus sign and here what will come here? A will come here on this one side, A positive. A positive. B, A, B. A, B, A. Here what will come? B is coming, B negative. Means is this two holes are putting here. Means two things leaves their position. One cation has leave their position and one anion has leave the position. Okay. It means two things, two vacancies are whole, we can say two holes are present. But which type of holes are present? One hole is of cation and one hole is of anion. The condition causing here high coordination number and ions are almost similar sizes. Means this ion and this ion almost is of similar sizes. Okay. Density is also be lowered. Now next we are talking about the Frankel defect. Frankel defect was discovered by the Russian scientist Frankel in 1926. It arises when an ion is missing from a normal position and occupies an interstice site between the lattice point. Now, in this one it loses the position, but it will remain in between any one side. Like here, A is remain on this one side in between. Same as in this condition, it will remain out also and it will remain in also. Okay, same position, cation will takes place. B, A is here, A, B is also here. Now this we are using, mainly we are focusing on a cation side, means on a plus side. Okay, enter this one position, A is coming on this one side in between. Okay, so this means this is a hole will remain here, means vacancy will remain, and it will come on this one side. This said to be an interstitial side. This is said to be the Frankel effect. Frankel defect. Now after this Frankel defect, let's some differences between of the differences between Scotty and Frankel defect. Let's see here. It is produced because of missing atoms or ions from the normal crystal site. This you know. This is missing from the normal site occupied interstitial site. Means it will remain interstitial, means in between the site it will remain. The presence of Scotty defect lowers the temperature of the crystal. It lowers the temperature. It does not affect on the density or it not affect on the temperature. It generally shows ionic having a high coordination number. It shows ionic having low coordination number. Example NaCl, CaCl. In this one example we are using as AgCl and ZnS. Fine. This is I have completed about a Frankel defect and Scotty defect. Mainly 1 or 2% it will come in your paper. But syllabus is changed. I have to complete this one topic. Now next topic I am going to start today, the properties of solids. Okay. The properties of solids. Properties of solids, let's see here. One is electrical properties of solid and second is magnetic properties of solid. In electrical properties of solids, we are using a three types. One is conductors, semiconductors and insulators. Okay. So one thing we are telling about in a conductors, the solid which allow the passage of electric current are called conductors. Means let's Two places are here. Okay, two places. It allows the passage of electric current in this one, both the sides. It means it is a conductor. Conductor may takes place by the two types. One is a metallic conductor and second is electrolytic conductor. What is the meaning of the metallic? It allows the electricity to pass through them without undergoing any chemical change. Means electricity will go from here till here, it will go, but there is no changes of chemical thing will not change. Same we are telling about the electrolytic conductors. It will allow the electricity to pass through them by undergoing chemical change. In this one chemical change will not take place, but in this one chemical change will take place. These things we are using about in conductors. Now second one is semiconductors. The solids which lies those of typical metallic conductor insulators are called semiconductors. The semiconductors have conductivity in the range of 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power 4 ohms minus 1 meter minus 1. The conductivity of semiconductor is due to the presence of impurities and defect. In this one, semiconductors, why this will happen? Because of the impurities, presence of impurities and the defect. Next is insulators. It does not allow the passage of electric current through them. Means in insulators, electric current will not pass. So in an easy way, what I would like to tell you, in an insulators, the spaces are very more. Means this much spaces are there. This much. Two things are there, this much space. But in this one semiconductor, spaces are less. But in a conductor, the spaces are very, very less. They can go to each other and passes the electricity. Fine. Understood about the conductors, semiconductors and insulators? Okay. So this is about the electrical properties of solids. I am giving this page to you. You can write down the notes by yourself. Now, in this one, a very important one thing is this about the band model. Band model means the thing which I have explained to you like this. This is known as a band model. Okay. So in a band model also I am going to tell you, in a band model, valence band and conduction band will takes place. Okay. I will show you here. This is a valence bond and this is a conduction bond. Okay. This is a valence bond, conduction bond. So what you will do when you are making a diagram, this one you make it a near, this one you give a large distance, and this one you give a middle distance in this one. Okay. So this is known as a band model. Let's see about the valence bond. The outer field energy band is called valence band, and the next empty band can move is called conduction band. First one is said to be the valence band because it was the outside, outer field space is there. This one is an empty one. That's why it's said to be the conduction band. Okay. So this page you can see it very nicely and write it in your copy. This thing is important, electrical properties of solids, and this is coming in your syllabus also. Now what things are coming in your syllabus, that only I am giving to you. Okay. Next thing. Now magnetic properties of solid. This magnetic properties of solids we will do in a next one class. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.